How would you like a real and legitimate way to make an extra $300 to $500 a day, every single day? That's right, no clicky survey BS or staring at video ads for pennies or point or any of that crap. I'm talking about a real, serious way to make some actual money. If you're like, count me in, then sit down, remove all distractions, because today I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to get started today. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? My name is Tay and welcome back to the channel. I make weekly videos on entrepreneurship and other money-making opportunities online. Before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay up to date and never miss your opportunity to make money online. Just like I mentioned a few seconds ago, I'm going to show you how you can make $300 to $500 a day every single day, and that's by creating informational or explainer products. Stop. Before you click off thinking you'll be doing tons of work or you'll be creating YouTube content or posting thousands of times on social media, this isn't that. Let me turn your attention away for a second. Check this out. As of 2018, there are 30.2 million active small businesses out there, and this report is only for the US. Imagine how many more small businesses are out there worldwide. So what does this have to do with making money? With all these businesses, there's got to be a lot of competition out there. Hundreds of thousands of people looking for ways to make their businesses stand out over the competition. This is where you come in. You'll be helping these companies or these websites bring in more customers by helping provide value by creating short, informational, or explainer videos. Let me throw a scenario your way. Let's say you're a first-time home buyer and you're online looking for a good home and you come across 3 different websites. Now, 2 of those websites just have your generic search bar so you can search for homes in a specified area. Meanwhile, the last site greets you with a short informational video that gives you a few tips on what you should be looking for when buying your first home. Tell me, which website would you be inclined to stick with? Now, I don't know about you, but I would be sticking with the website that's teaching me a thing or two. Now, before you go thinking this will be a ton of work, I want you to check this site out. You remember that little clip that I just showed you a second ago? I created that video with this site right here. The name of this site is Content Samurai, and this software is all about creating informational and explainer videos. And the best part about it is it's all done for you. That's right. You don't have to get on camera, you don't have to make voice recordings, you don't have to go around putting different types of content together. All you have to do is fill out a few simple things and the software will do the rest. Here, let me show you how it works. So, here we are in my account, and the first thing you will notice is that you can choose the purpose of the video. Now, for the sake of time, I'm going to keep it at its default, but for you, it will all depend on the client request. Next in this tab, you can choose a theme. As you can see, there are tons of available themes with different fonts, colors, borders, and animations. To keep this simple, I'm going to choose the corporate blue theme. Next, a video will pop up to show you what that theme looks like in action. Next up is the title and the script. Again, you can request this from your client, but if they only provide general information about what they want, like for example, they just say they want a short informational on why you should work out every day, then you can scout out a few websites like this one and grab the information from there. Now, for the sake of time, I'm going to just copy this site just to show you how the system works, but I do not want you to just copy and paste other people's stuff. Change some of the wording if you have to. If there are bullet points, change them around. Make sure you share the information in a different way. Next up is scene selection. Based on the title and some of the words used in the script, the software will automatically pull up clips and images relevant to the topic, and honestly, I gotta say, it's pretty freaking accurate. If it does, for some reason, miss with some of the clips, or your client has certain things that they want in the video specifically, you can add that stuff manually. I'm going to let the system choose this one for me. Next up is voice selection. The software has you covered with this as well. You can choose from a list of voices in the UK, the US, and Australia, in both male and female voices. Or if you want, or the client has their own recording, you can manually change that too. Again, for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and go with Kate from the UK. Now that we have the voice, let's hit the preview button and see how it turns out.
One, your body will thank you in the long run. Your body might feel achy and sore immediately after you exercise, and it probably won't feel too great during the workout either. But strengthening your body is keeping it in shape to fight off illness and prevent it from becoming flabby and weak. Exercise doesn't just strengthen your muscles, it also strengthens your heart and bones, lowers your blood pressure, and of course, reduces your body fat. America may be one of the heftier nations, but go to the gym once in a while and you can stand many shades healthier and slimmer than the rest. 2. It will improve your relationships.
I don't know about you, but this sounds pretty damn good to me. And again, the software did all the work. Something else I forgot to mention earlier is that you can also change the music, which they have music for you, but you can also download more music if you would like. You can also change the music volume, the track volume, the voice speed. You can also adjust the timing of the video itself. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this software. Now you have a professionally crafted info explainer video for your client to use. Now, how will you set up this service? You can sign up to sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. And that's it, guys. This is how you can make an extra $300 to $500 a day, every single day. Content Samurai is currently offering free trials, so if you want to get up and running with no money put down, I would suggest you go ahead and check this site out. I don't know how long it's going to last, so if you're watching this video and you're interested, I highly suggest, again, you check it out. Alright guys, that's all I've got for today's video. If you found it useful, then do me a favor and smash that like button. Also, share this out with anybody who you think will find this useful and could use a little extra cash. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Guys, links will be down below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Take care.